Hey folks, Dr. D here. So as part of our front axle project, I'm going to change the U-joints, the two front axles. You notice in here, there is a little clip right here. And it looks like this after they're off. Just a little C-clip. You just take a screwdriver and you just kind of bang them out. After that, I grabbed the ball joint press, and I didn't have to use any attachments. I have one end of the press, one end's and the adapter side on the other, and basically, I'm just going to grab my breaker bar and we're just going to crank this down until we pop out this side, because it's going to drive through. I'll remove the cap from that end, and then I'll flip it over and I'll drive it through the other way, and I will pull the cap off that end, and then I can get my universal joint out. I'll pick it up for a second. You can see what I'm seeing on this side. It might be a little more interesting. So, as you can see, I'm broken here. We'll pop through over here, and we should be pushing this thing through. Eventually, it will pop out enough that I can get the cap off, and then we'll flip it over and drive it out the other side. So now, the clip that I put in on this side will prevent this from moving any further.